Hello guys!
Hello guys!
So today we are visiting the Ecomare. It's a sea creature museum.
Mostly for seal.
Mostly also seal habitat for the injured and healthy seals as well. So join us on this tour and
We are going there.
let's go!
Let's start.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
As you see guys, we have locker room. And for €1 you throw it. Now I'm supposed to take out the keys.
Yes.
So let's...
So if you need this place for storage, you can leave your jacket over here and any
Wheelchairs.
important belongings in the locker. They have also some sort of trolleys.
Okay, let's start.
Little guy. Supple seaweed that tastes like sorrel in chopped or round form. Sea lettuce is an excellent substitute for salt. And here is wakame. Wakame we know very well. It's a refined taste of oyster. Nutritious highly violet present in miso. Cute crab. Oh. Seaweed pie. Who would have imagined?
Just trash in the sea. Things which is killing them. There's even more making sad to see this.
Okay, thank you. We found seals finally. complex. They have a museum inside the building. Outdoor there are some seals swimming in a couple of different pools. And
One is with glass.
underground there have also some sea creature aquariums. We haven't been there yet, but we're going to show it to you later.
We are
Right
waiting
now,
for feeding.
exactly. So we are going to show you the seal feeding. And yeah, that's already. It's really nice place, very friendly, family friendly. You even have here restaurant,
Backside is a restaurant. There is ice creams also, counter.
so you can eat, you can have a dessert. Just enjoy and relax.
Here guys, so feeding gonna be starts now soon. They see you. What?
Check if we can make it closer. I am here with a seal caretaker from Ecomare. So, are the other seals also doing tricks?
It's not tricks, it's more like the training in healthcare. So we like to ask animals to come near us and lay still in our hands so someone else can measure their body weight or maybe cut their nails if necessary. And also to send them away, it's important to feed the other animals which are laying.
Because this was really awesome.
Yeah, it's really awesome. We
Very
train a lot of things, also to open their mouths, to roll on their backs, to check out the belly area, and lay down on the platform to weigh the animals. And if they trained really well, you can separate them easily. You can say this one's going to the other part of the pool, and just stay there, and then you go.
And how long does it take for them to learn?
Well, Arnie, the seal, which was doing like something from the training, is very clever, and she does a lot of things for certain species of fish. So when she's a little bit hungry, you can train.
She's a little bit fussy, she's not hurrying.
But you can train like gray seals in small amount of time.
Okay, so the grey seal are generally smarter?
Yeah, and not as scared as a harbor seal would be.
Oh, okay.
They are more interested. She's also interested, right? Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Well, guys, so as you can see, feeding of seals is really
It's done.
impressive. Especially the grey seals, as the caretaker said,
They are clever.
more smart. Yeah. And now we are going to see underground sea aquarium. OMG, just look at
They are
this.
amazing.
Let's check it out. This is interesting. First things first. So guys, I found a map of seals.
But this is
Check the number 2, it's cute.
How is this? 12 number.
2 number.
12. Leopard seal.
Leopard seal. Like,
I think
OMG.
it's like more
Scary.
wild, yeah.
I found cute one, number 2.
Number 2 is like so much more. Ringed seal.
And 4 is also
4
cute.
is nearby us. So
Baikal rob. Baikal seal.
okay.
Justus, du gehst mir auf den Zeiger. Hast du hier schon geguckt?
Oh, I showing something nice. Look at this guy.
Okay, this is this like which we found yesterday. Huh?
Similar. Okay, so that's a nursery, and somewhere we have newborn thornback rain. I think that's the thing, but I'm not really sure.
And you see there are many fish like this that they are in sand, just hiding.
Yeah. Which you like the most?
It's white, but it's not going up.
Yeah, it is awesome indeed.
And this guy is gonna like
And there is hiding. How do you like this place?
must visit it.
Ecomare is really awesome, and you can get to know basically everything about here's Northern Sea, the animals living in it, everything.
Here is all kind of crabs. And this is nice one. Colorful body.
Come pet the seal. Specific seal for petting.
There is some cuties. Oh,
I hope I didn't scare him,
I'm not expecting to get.
but they are cute.
Oh, as you see guys, here is this carrier for seal, because when they get healthy from here, they take in this and then they release in sea. And it's they have some kind of programs for it. It costs €200 and 4 person can participate in this, but you must be really lucky to get that. So small donation. Sure.
Always fun. Oh wow. It's nice we didn't find nothing like this. I would be scared.
Turtle. They have too many creatures. Okay.
Ew.
This they don't have properly.
Some fish. We have planted one sheep.
What do you think about it?
Awesome. Okay guys, so that was mostly all from Ecomare, and now we have only souvenir shop left. Okay guys, so we finished our tour in Ecomare. It was really great experience and we liked it very much.
Feeding.
Yes, we could participate in the feeding. We have seen too many more creatures. And in the end we bought simple souvenirs.
2 postcards from Texel, one and one from Ecomare, but both are with seal from Ecomare. And they already give post-NL's stamp because they asked about it.
This is a good thing because here they also can sell you stamp. Even international, we have international ones, so you can easily send it abroad.
Just write down and
or to your
just show.
family. Yeah. So it was a great time we had. If you like the video, let us know in the comments. Please hit the like and subscribe button.
Please share, comment, and keep supporting us.
Yeah, see you in the next video.